Hello, I'm Matt, otherwise known as That'll Do, and this is my 2004 F-150 Heritage. Now, I am tired of messing with this truck, so we're just going to throw parts at it until it works. So, the first thing we're going to do today is here we have an EGR vacuum solenoid, I think? I don't know. Doesn't matter. So, this little part here controls that right there. You see the yeah, okay. So, it's right down in there. That is the EGR purge? I don't know. And apparently, this guy right here runs it. Now, this is a $15 part, and that in there, that's a $30 part. And I have a bunch of codes related to that thing. So I'm thinking this guy went bad. So I'm worried about breaking the plug. So I'm gonna just pull the evap lines or whatever lines go on this. So I'm gonna pull these here, and then I'm gonna unbolt it, and I'm just gonna take it off once I get it off the truck. Apparently it's a metric 10. I guess I was thinking too much like an American, so I was using SAE instead of metric. So it should come right off of there. It only took me going through the entirety of my toolkit. So it's finally coming out, which is about time. That's nice. Alright, so got it bolted. It's free. So here on the old one, we have this interesting bolt setup. Now I'm gonna get this apart so I can put it on the new one. I've already done it once, so I might know what I'm doing. Just a little bit. Alright, fellers, so yesterday we did that thing in there, the EGR vacuum solenoid. It's in there, it's all plugged up. We got the lines in there, everything. So now we're gonna crank it up and see if it's any better. Because get it primed, run the fuel pump 3 times. Alright, should fire. It's the real test going up a 1-foot incline. Nah, it's still trash. It still struggles a lot. Okay. Definitely not fixed, but who knows? Maybe it made a difference. I don't know. We won't know until I get my... Alright, so I just went to Advance and spent 70 bucks on a filter, spark plugs, and some spark plug boots so that way it doesn't seize in the block, and some battery terminal protector. Because I just cleaned the terminals up there and they were very corroded. Alright. Well, I got the old plugs out.
there will be no footage for that because it was really boring. Plugs are installed. Plug wires are on to the best that I know of. New filter. Let's crank this up. Well, I shut the hood and I jinxed it. Nice. I closed the hood, I got inside, I put it in gear, and it died. And it was a rough die. And... truck. Three, two, one. We're good.